Boma.
I want to thank you, big brother, for making me a guest. I'm beyond grateful. I'm extremely happy. All the guys are great, you know, the females as well.
And you thought you were what?
Okra. Now, vegetable.
The winner of tonight's game is Boma.
I don't like failure at all. I'm just, you know, here to make sure that we do what Biggie said we should do.
I'm being very careful, like attaching myself to one person.
Just imagine they'll take like for 30 seconds. If you beat me after the 30 seconds.
You threw the plate and the soft trash on my clothes, and I kept telling you. People are going into the room and saying I'm in a relationship. I'm not in a relationship.
If I've kissed you outside here, so what is the secret behind here?
I'm going to show you
You don't get it. Me and everybody cannot be close.